How to add PayPal payment to Wix website. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to add and connect your PayPal payment option to your Wix website, whether you are selling a physical and digital product or services. And I will guide you through each steps from setting up your PayPal account to seamlessly embedding the payment option on your website. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Wix dashboard. Then before starting guys, go directly to PayPal account. Then guys, you need to first switch your PayPal account from personal to business. Then after switching and making your PayPal account business like this, then go back to your Wix dashboard. Then guys, in the search bar on the left side, just go directly to settings, then hit on settings. Then guys, go directly in the search bar on the top. You can easily tap PayPal or go directly to accept payment on the right side. As you see guys, choose the way to get paid by customers. As you see guys, you have a note: you haven't connected a payment method, customers won't be able to pay you. Add payment method. You can easily just also add and select add payment method. Then for example, first hit on accept payment. Then it will take you directly to connect your payment and add your payment method to your Wix website. For example, if you want to add and connect, for example, with the Visa or MasterCard or Apple Pay or any payment provider, or PayPal or manual payment. For example, first I will select the PayPal, then hit on PayPal. Then first guys, to connect your PayPal account, enter your PayPal account email in the form below, click connect, and you will be redirected to PayPal. Then guys, go and you need to paste your PayPal email, the PayPal email. Then guys, you need to paste your email, then hit on connect. Then wait a few seconds guys. It's very easy to connect your PayPal, but first you need guys to switch your PayPal account from personal to business. It's very easy to also switch your account. Just go to my YouTube channel, you found the video on how easily link and connect and switch your PayPal account from personal to business. Then guys, you need to verify your email address, the country, then hit on next. Then guys, you need to verify your account by adding the password. Enter. It's very easy guys to add your PayPal payment to, as you see guys, wix.com. Let's want your permission to connect your PayPal, then hit on allow. You are set. As you see guys, return to the Wix website. As you see guys, your PayPal payment was added successfully to your Wix website. Just return to wix.com. It will take you directly to your Wix dashboard. You will find your PayPal payment was active. PayPal is connected. As you see guys, 65% of online customers pay with credit debit card. If you want to add your debit card or credit card, as you see guys, your PayPal payment was added successfully without no issue. But first you need to switch your PayPal from personal to business, then you will be easily to connect your PayPal payment and add your PayPal account to Wix website. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.